And we're back. Disclaimer, we are not working on the Miata today.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Currently in the mom daily to go get fabric for Jordy's headliner because we're working on the E36 today. Best car. We're on our way to Michael's to go pick out something that Jordy likes.
Spider webs, that's my goal.
You want spider webs?
Yeah.
Alright, I guess we're getting
Black
spider
with spider
webs.
webs.
So I've never actually done a headliner before because as you guys know, the Miata has a soft top and I'm not taking this shit out anytime soon, so. Jordy's car we go! Never mind, this Michael's doesn't have fabric for some reason. So we're gonna go find a Joann's or a Hobby Lobby. Back in the car because the closest one was like 31 minutes away.
Wear your light up finger gloves.
Now the moment of truth, do they have the spider webs?
I don't know. There's a lot of options.
Lots and lots of options, but Jordy wants spiders. The
dragons?
That is pretty sick. You want dragons?
It's kind of fire, right?
Jordy found another dragon one.
It's
like the same but
thing,
different. It's more vibrant.
This one's also like a fleece material.
Yeah, I like the other one.
Feels like pajamas.
Yeah, definitely do the other one if you were gonna do the dragons. Put that one back.
Or does this one look like a preschool?
Yeah, that one's definitely
Preschool.
And the winner is
Dragons.
dragons. They don't know I have a pink Miata at the shop. No, but it's a Miata kind of day. I've seen like 5 out already so far,
Miata
just in this
Fridays.
drive alone. Pit stop. And we're back. Time to move the coupe.
I'm not weak, the door's just broken.
There she is, missing a kidney and all. Appreciation for Jordy stickers real quick. MTV, welcome to Jordy's car.
Hang on, let's get the garbage out of it first. Trying to keep it clean, but it doesn't work too well.
Yeah, I cleaned this thing spotless the other day. If anyone's selling door cards, hold the tax. It's my favorite feature of Jordy's car. So Jordy thinks it might be perfect with it.
It looks like it'll fit with centimeters to spare. So when I got the headliner, it was out of some junkyard car and it had no handles, like no hardware or anything. All I had was the mirrors and the lights.
There's no sunroof, kills me every time.
It opens. I have it bolted shut because you go 65, it flies open. People definitely know if you have one of these cars, it's a normal thing.
Just E36 things.
Yep.
Oh my god, maybe we can get the other picture that got lost in there.
I don't think so.
Yeah. It's coming down. I always wondered how you got the headliner out of a car. Do you need help? Oh, never mind. God dang it, boys, he's got it.
I got it.
Oh, it might just be.
Oh,
Oh, that's perfect.
that's sick.
Better view. I like the dragons.
Dragon's hot.
For a hot guy.
Feisty.
Okay, so Jordy and I came up with a game plan. Right now he's removing washers, but we're gonna start from the back and work our way to the front.
If anyone has oh shit handles, I will gladly take them, no matter what color. Tan,
Drop down in the
gray,
comments.
Anything.
We're splitting it, not splitting it, but
Breaking it up into 2 sections so it'll be easier for us.
yes, exactly what Jordy said. Thankfully we have where the sunroof is, so that's gonna be our little section. You ready?
No, but yeah.
Let's do this.
need to know what's on your mind.
Alright, so here's the back of it. Still gotta tuck in the back just a bit, but looking snazzy. Tucked.
Sticky paws.
Look at that technique.
Get that in the crevices. Oh, stand brake.
You can't spray it and take a stand brake. Let me
It's gotta
get it.
get tacky.
It's already tacky.
You're pretty tacky.
Listen, dude.
Listen, dude, I'm listening.
Dragons.
Roses.
Dragons.
Pink.
Nerd bald.
Nice bangs.
Hey! Whoa! Whoa!
Damn, that was fire.
Yeah.
That was good.
Wow! Look at that!
Not bad for 2 idiots and some glue.
Whoa, 2 idiots. Don't call yourself an idiot, babe. Left my mark on Jordy's car. Look how cute. It looks like a little heart. So right now Jordy's trying to get the original Polaroid picture he had of me on his mirror out. I'm not going to show you guys if we do get it out because it's inappropriate for YouTube, but I don't think it's coming out. He thought it was a smart idea to tape it on his mirror, right?
And I opened it and then it disappeared in the abyss of the slot, you know?
No, it's this one. Don't I look cute, guys?
The other one was better.
This is my favorite sticker of Jordy's. I think it's very funny. Alright, Jordy forgot to cut out these little holes, so just clean it up real nice and then put it back in.
This sucks. Pay someone to do it.
Are you paying me?
Are you doing it?
Such a sleigh, honestly. I can't wait to see it in the car. Alright.
Almost decapitated myself.
Jordy's gonna get in the back seat and I'm gonna follow after. Just kidding.
You're so funny.
Alright, I'm putting you guys down for a second. Alright, got it in. Basically just button everything up.
Yeah, hopefully.
Jordy's annoyed.
Oh my god. Yeah, I am annoyed.
It's okay. I'm gonna give him that hot tour later. Why am I just finding out Jordy has these?
Swag points.
Super swag points.
Super swag points.
And the finished product. I actually like it a lot. How do you feel?
I'm glad that it's over. I mean, I think it looks better than what it looked.
Your interior is finally coming together.
Yeah, and the door cards, I'm gonna make them the same fabric. Wow.
Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back next time. We'll see you guys soon enough.